Are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. Thanks God. Okay. So we are starting exercise. I have shared the picture of the exercise. So we are starting the exercise. We will find the inverse of the matrix. I have sent you exercise 9.6. In question 2, 3 and 4, determine the inverse of the matrix. So question number 2a part, we will find the inverse of the matrix. We will find the inverse of the matrix. Question number 2a part. Can you watch the screen? Students, can you watch the screen? 10309. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you watch the screen? स्क्रीन
Yes.
नजर आ रही है बेटा?
जी जमील साहब, आपकी आवाज भी आ रही है और स्क्रीन भी आ रही है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
चलिए ठीक है बेटा, ठीक, ओके। So we are doing question number 2a part 110. Question number 1. Sorry, question number 2, A part 110. 252 636. So first of all, we will check whether it is a square matrix. Yes, it is a square matrix. It's 3 by 3. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a square matrix. So we may find the inverse of this matrix. So first of all, we'll find the absolute value. Absolute value. So what is that? We will convert into the determinant. 110 252 636. So that matrix will be converted into the determinant. And now we will evaluate the determinant. It will become 1. Then leave this column, this row, find 5236. Minus the second number 1. Leave this column, leave this row, 2266. Plus 0. Leave this column, leave this row, 2563. As we have already evaluated so many determinants. Okay, 1 into 5 into 6 will be 30, minus 2 into 6, 3 will be 6. minus 1, 2 into 6 will be 12, minus 2 into 6 will be 12, plus 0 into 2 into 3 will be 6, minus 5 into 6 will be 30, whatever it is. So 1 into 30 minus 6 will be 24, minus 1 into 12 minus 12, 0, plus 0 into minus 24. So 1 into 24 will be 24. The answer is 24. 1 into 0 will be 0, 0 into minus 24 will be 0. So answer is 24. The absolute value of the matrix is 24. Therefore, this is a non-singular matrix and we can find the inverse of the non-singular matrix. If the answer would be 0, then that would be a singular matrix, and singular matrix had no inverse. Singular matrices have no inverse. Bisma 10513 and then Asad Zamir 11416 and Zara Salim 10834. Okay. Amar Shahnawaz 11043. So this is a non-singular matrix. We can find the we can find the inverse of this matrix. Rushta Suhail 11314. Okay. Fatima Zafar 10990. Gerard Justin 11108. Mohammad Abu Bakr Musta Shahzad 10639. Mohammad Sufyan Malik 10669. Afsa Imran 11400. Nimra Nisar 11411. Sukaina Batul 11249. Okay. Is Sufyan Malik here? 10669. Mohammad Sufyan Malik. If he is there, raise his hand. Okay. It means Sufyan Malik is absent. Okay, the answer first we find the absolute value, that is 24. Now we will find the cofactors. So we name the matrix A. We name this matrix A. So this is the matrix A. This is the matrix A and the absolute value is 24. That we have already found. Mutahir Ahmad 64294. Okay. Fatma Mustafa Zafar 1009. Muhammad Asadullah 1145. 11445. Yes, Nimra. Yes, Nimra. Okay. Now we will find the cofactors of A. Cofactors of the matrix A. Cofactors. How to find? The first cofactor will be C11. 1 means the first row, first columns. Small c. 1 1. First row and first column. Cofactor of first row and first column. So this is the first row, first column and entry. We'll find this will be -1 raised to, how to find the cofactor? First of all, we will write -1 raised to power this one plus 1. This one plus 1, the number of row plus the number of column, into the determinant. Leave this row and this column C11. Leave C11 row and C11 column. The remaining 5, 2, 3, 6. Determinant 5, 2, 3, 6. The answer will be -1 raised to power 2. -1 raised to power 2 will be +1. Into 5 into 6 will be 30. -2 into 3 will be 6. The answer is 24. This is C11, 24. In the same way, we will find C12, C13. C12 will be equal to -1 raised to power 1 plus 2. Into, leave this column C12, leave this row C12. Leave the first row and the second column. First row and the second column. The remaining numbers are 2, 2, 6, 6. We will make a determinant. So -1 raised to power 3 will be equal to -1 into 12 minus 12. The answer is 0. This is C12. 11059. Okay. 10341. Okay. So in the same way, C13, the cofactor of first row and third column, first row and third column. So this one, we will leave this row and this column. The remaining number -1 raised to power 1 plus 3. Leave this row and this column, first row and third column. Leave first row and the third column. So 2, 5, 6, 3. -1 raised to power 4 will be +1. 2 into 3 will be 6. 5 into 3 will, 5 into 6 will be 24. Sorry, 30. The answer is -24. This is the cofactor C13. In the same way, we will find the code. Now the first row and the third column is over. Now start the second row and the first column. So C21, second row and first column. C21 means the cofactor of the second row, first column. So we leave this second row and the first column and the minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1. This number will be added. And the second row and the first column will be left 1036. Minus 1 raised to power 3 will be minus 1. Into 1 into 6 will be 6. Minus 3 into 0 will be 0. The answer is minus 6. The answer is minus 6. In the same way, we will find C23, C22. Minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2. Leave second row and the second column. We will leave second row and the second column, the remaining 1066. Minus 1 raised to power 4 will be plus 1. Into 1 into 6 will be 6. Minus 0 into 6 will be 0. The answer is 6. The answer is 6. Now C23. Minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3. We will read the second row and the third column. Second row and the third column. 1163. Minus 1 raised to power 5 will be minus 1. Into 1 into 3 will be 3. Minus 1 into 6 will be 6. The answer is 3 minus 6 will be minus 3 into minus 1 will be 3. The second row is also completed. Second row and third column completed. Now we start the third row. We will start the third row. We will start the third row. So C31. Minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1. We will leave the third row and the first column. We will leave the third row and the first column. 1052. It will become minus 1 raised to power 4 will be plus 1. Into 1 into 2 will be 2. Minus 0 into 5 will be 0. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. 1105P. Alian Khan. C31, C32. Minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 into third row and second column will be left. Third row and the second column. 1022. Minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 will be 5. Minus 1 raised to power 5 will be minus 1. Into 1 into 2 will be 2. Minus 0 into 2 will be 0. The answer is minus 2. C32. Now C33. Minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3. We leave the second row, third row and third column. Third row and third column. 1125. Minus 1 raised to power 6 will be plus 1. Into 1 into 5 will be 5. Minus 1 into 2 will be 2. The answer is 3. This is the third row, third column. The answer is 3. So we have found all the 9 cofactors. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So therefore all entries are 9. So there should be the 9 cofactors. C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. Now we will find the matrix of the cofactor. We will find the matrix of the cofactors. So that will be, these are the small c's. These are the small c's. Small c, 1, 1, small c, 1, 2, small c, 1, 3. Here you can see the first, the minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. Here is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. So plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, and plus 1. So we are multiplying. Instead of writing this one, you may write the first number plus 1. The first determine the first row, first column, leave the first row, first column. And the remaining, make the determinant of the remaining numbers. And find the answer, and then you multiply with the plus 1. Then C12, leave the first row in the second column, first row in the second column, remaining number 2, 2, 6, 6. Make the determinant and multiply with minus 1. C13 plus 1 and so on. If we are not multiplying this one with this one, minus 1 raised to power I plus j. So this is called the minors. This is called the minors. This is M11. This is M12. This is M13. This is M14. This is 211. 21, 222, 223, M23, M31, M32, M33. So these are the minors. These determinants were the minors. When they are multiplied with the minus 1 raised to power I plus j, row plus column. So then it will be called the cofactor. It will be called the cofactor. So first we'll find the cofactor by this method. Then we'll find the matrix of the cofactor. Matrix of the cofactor. Matrix of the cofactor is denoted by capital C. It is denoted by capital C. Matrix, not the determinant. C11 24, C12 0, C13 minus 24, C21 minus 6, C22 6, C23 3, 631 2, 632 minus 2, 633 3. This is the matrix of the cofactor. This is the second step. Now after that, we will find the transpose of C. We will find transpose of C. C raised to power T. We will change the rows by column. 24 minus 6, 2. The first column will be converted to the first row. The second column will be converted the second row. The third column will be converted the third row. This is C raised to power T. This is called the adjoint of the matrix C. This is called the adjoint of the matrix C. The transpose of the matrix of the cofactor C raised to power T is called the adjoint of the matrix C. So this is the adjoint of the matrix C. So now the last step, we will find the inverse. A inverse will be equal to 1 upon the mod of A, the absolute value of the matrix, into the adjoint of the matrix A. So that will be the A inverse. A inverse means the inverse of the matrix. A raised to power minus 1 means the inverse of the matrix A. So now we'll put the values. I will find the वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी। अच्छा अच्छा, आपने कर दी उसको, चलिए ठीक है, मैं शेयर कर दूंगा। ठीक है, मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ। ओके, जज़ाकल्लाह। ओके, जज़ाक। Students, this is the last session, today's class, because you have a grooming session. After that, you have a grooming session at 11 o'clock. So I will share you the ID. I will share you the ID in the group, so you will take that class at 11 o'clock. So quickly, I will find the inverse. A inverse will be equal to 1 upon absolute value is 24 into the adjoint. Adjoint is 24 minus 6 and 2, 6 minus 2 minus 2 3. Just multiply each and every entry with 1 over 24. Just multiply each and every entry by 1 over 24. If you multiply this one, it will become 1. If you multiply this one, it minus 1 upon 4. If you multiply this one, 1 over 12. This one, 1 over 4. This one, 1 over 4. This one, minus 1 over 12. This one, minus 1 over 12. This one, 1 over 8. This one, 1 over 8. This is the inverse. In this way, you have to do the exercise. In this way, you have to do the exercise. I am sharing you the ID. Just I received. So I have shared the ID. So this is your class is end. I am ending the class. You join this grooming class, your grooming session. I have shared the in the group. The meeting ID is 924-6393-9709. Passcode is 1234. 1234. So just join the ID. Just join the meeting. Thank you very much, and sorry for today's inconvenience because of the net problem. I don't know, net problem or the Zoom problem, whatever it was. So now I am ending the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
join your grooming class.